What is up everyone? Are you hunting for that one smartphone that doesn't just compete, but completely redefines the game? A phone that makes today's flagships look absolutely outdated? If you nodded yes, then you are in the right place. Because today, we are talking about a device so wild, you won't believe it's real. Nokia is making a comeback, and this time, they're bringing a monster to shake up the entire market. Presenting the Nokia Play 5 Max 5G. Forget every rumor and spec you've heard so far. Wipe the slate clean, because what I'm about to drop is going to get your heart racing. So, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. We are doing a deep dive into the specs, revealing the price tag, and telling you exactly when this beast drops. So let's get into it. Features of the Nokia Play 5 Max 5G. Display. First up, let's talk about the screen. This isn't your average display, guys. We are looking at a massive 6.85-inch LTPO OLED panel. Sounds good, right? But it gets better. With a 144Hz refresh rate, every scroll, every animation is going to be buttery smooth. And gamers, listen up. With an ultra-fast 410Hz touch sampling rate, your reaction times go from fast to instant. Your input hits the game faster than the blink of an eye. Plus, the whole body is IP68 water and dust resistant, so whether it's rain or dust, this phone is ready for any adventure. Camera, the showstopper. Now, brace yourselves, because we are moving on to the most insane feature of this phone, the camera. The Nokia Play 5 Max 5G is rocking a quad camera setup. The main sensor, a jaw-dropping 200 megapixels. You heard me right, 200 megapixels. This is no joke. This lens captures detail and lighting so perfectly, looking at the photos will feel like time travel. Backing that up is a 50 megapixels ultra-wide, 32 megapixels periscope telephoto lens for those crispy zoom shots, and a 8 megapixel micro lens. And for my selfie lovers, you get a massive 64 megapixel front camera. Say goodbye to bad angles, your selfies are about to look professional. Performance. When it comes to performance, Nokia is taking zero compromises. The heart of this beast is Qualcomm's latest and greatest, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. This chip is an absolute powerhouse. Heavy gaming, intense multitasking, it handles it all without a single stutter. And it's all running on the ultra-fluid Android 16. Once you experience this speed, you won't want to touch another phone. Battery backup. Are you tired of battery anxiety? Well, say goodbye to carrying a power bank. This phone comes packed with a monstrous 7300 mAh battery. Just imagine, one full charge could easily last you 2 to 3 days of usage. And when you finally do need to plug in, the 100-watt super fast charging has your back. By the time you finish your coffee break, you're back to 100%. Price and launch date. Now, for the million-dollar question that everyone is asking, how much will it cost? According to our sources, this futuristic device is expected to land somewhere between $700 and $800. For this kind of spec sheet, that is an absolute steal. And the launch date, get your wallets ready, because leaks suggest this powerhouse is dropping in the first quarter of 2026.